Meet the Mist Hand Fan, your go-to cooling solution for hot days. Simply fill the water tank using the bottle provided, then press and hold the button for 1.5 seconds to power it on and adjust between speed levels as needed. Activate continuous mist mode with a long press for an instant cooling boost. Switch to intermittent mist mode with a simple tap. Watch the water drop icon flash as it gently sprays for 4 seconds and pauses for 4 seconds for a perfectly balanced mist experience. Long battery backup and a smart display indicator. Designed for convenience, it easily folds to hang around your neck or sit on your desk. With USB charging, quick recharge time, long battery backup, and a smart display lets you track power in real time. With the lifelong mist fan, stay refreshed wherever you go.